Okay. So the next challenge, the category 2, it's a game challenge. So you're going to design a game using a Scratch, the same Scratch software, and yeah, you can use the block-based coding Scratch interface. You can use a sprite and the backdrop. You can use that efficiently to create your game. And we are having themes for your game design. So the themes for your game design is we are having two themes. One is a life below water. And the second thing is a pollution in space. So life below water is a became an ocean hero by collecting marine debris and protecting sea creatures in a vibrant underwater adventure. So you have to create a game in this life below water. You have to use the below water clips in that game development, the Scratch interface, and you have to save the marine, you have to collecting the marine debris and protecting the sea creatures. So these are the concept for life below water. And the second one is a pollution in space. So this is, you can collect that, this games involves, you have to collect the debris in the space and collecting the harmful junk while ensuring the safety of the satellite and space stations. So yeah, so this is the second theme for the game challenge. So the rules and regulation is for the game development, you have to use only the Scratch software. And this competition is only for individual participants. And the originality of the game and its storyline must be originally. You may use Scratch library for sprites and sound. The game mechanism, story, and coding must be the participants' own creation. And for the video presentations, you have to submit the video along with your the game play and your creative process. And for the submission deadline, you have to submit the video as well, along with your Scratch code must be submitted by the competition deadline. So the video submission format for this game challenge. So first you have to introduce yourself with your name, grade, and your school, and finally you have to given the brief introduction about your themes and your challenge. So the game concept explanation, a summary of the game. You have to give us a summary about your game objective and what are the storylines you used in this game concept, and you have to show how your game in that the creative insights. It's reflect on what they learned, the challenges they faced during the game development process, and how Scratch them build their games. So basically, how what are the challenges you faced during this contest? You have to share in that video at the final end of the video, and kindly add your learnings and what are the challenges you faced during this game development. Okay, and for the video requirement, the duration of the video is maximum of 3 minutes, and the format is either MP4 or MOV. So the video submission is you have to submit the video in the Google Drive, and kindly given the access with anyone with the link so that we can view your video, or you can upload the video in your YouTube channel and submit the link in the submit. So you can upload the video along with your Scratch in that submission portal. So language, you can spoke any language, but we are preferably expecting the English from. So the selection criteria, the first 40 points are game creativity, and so 30 points for gameplay and your user experience. So how you are created the game, which is very user friendly to play. 20 points for presentation and explanation in that video, and 10 points for how you are effectively used the Scratch interface and the Scratch